This is a quick video to show you how to take a Google form spreadsheet with all the answers on it and with the student grades and information like that, and put it into Canvas so that you can actually have it in your grade book and sync it then with the SIS system. So here we go. This is the Google form that I am playing with today. You're going to go to the responses, and then you're going to click on the Google Sheet icon. It will open up a Google Sheet into another window. And in this window, then all you have to do is go to File and download a common separated values, a CSV file, and download. In Canvas, you are going to go to the Grades section. Then you're going to click Actions and Import. Find the file that you just downloaded, select it, click Open, then click Upload Data. Once it has uploaded, you'll have the opportunity then to select the assignment or to create a brand new assignment. So you can do it by clicking Choose Assignment, and whichever one your assignment is located, or create a new assignment. And once you have done that, then you can come down and continue, and it'll walk you through the steps on what you need to do next. I hope this helps. Have a great day.